How cool would it be to create an entire Halloween makeup look using just black and white face paint? But first, did you know the traditions of Halloween makeup dates back to ancient Celtic festivals where people would wear masks to ward off ghosts? Black and white face paint is a modern twist on a spooky traditional look. Creating a spooky Halloween look can be super easy and effective with just black and white face paint. I mean, think about it. You don't need a million different colours to create a striking, effective look. Sometimes less is more, and that's definitely the case here. One of the biggest challenges with Halloween makeup is finding something that's easy to apply and looks amazing, especially if you're running late and everything's a little bit last minute. You don't want to be spending hours in front of the mirror and you still want to look incredible. That's where black and white face paint comes in. It's a game changer. Now, we've all been scrolling through social media, seeing all these incredible Halloween looks and thinking, I wish I could do that. But the truth is, you can. It just takes a little bit of creativity and some basic makeup skills. And with black and white face paint, the possibilities are endless. Hi, my name's lathonmb and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello. On my channel you will find lots of different things, including makeup, skincare, costumes, as you can see in the background here, time management. I've done a whole section on trolls and commenting and how to be a bit more productive online and more positive online, which is the most important. So stick around. I'm going to be doing my Halloween look just using black and white. So be prepared to be astounded. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share it with your besties. Let's get started with the makeup application. The key is to blend, blend and blend. You want to make sure those colours are seamless. I'm starting with a base layer of white face paint to create that ghostly complexion. From there, I can add some black details to really make the look pop. To create my design, I'm using a small brush to paint on some black details. It's all about precision here. You want those lines to be sharp and clean. And don't worry if it gets a little bit messy. It is Halloween after all, and that's half the fun. I'm adding some black accents around my eyes to give it that spooky look. You know, you can also use a sponge to create more texture if you want to, or you can add a little bit of Demontes at the end. It really depends on the look that you're going for. As I build up the layers of paint, the design starts to come alive. It's amazing how much depth and dimension you can create with just two colours. The finished look is everything that I hoped for. It's a little bit spooky, a little bit dramatic and totally Instagram worthy, and that's the best part. It's super easy to create this at home. I'm using some dramatic lighting to really make the look pop, and it's amazing how much those lights make a massive difference. The black and white face paint really allows the features of my face to take centre stage. It's a great way to create a striking, effective look without overdoing it. And with the right music, it's like you're transported to a whole different world. I'm loving the spooky vibe I'm getting from this look. It's perfect for Halloween and I know you guys are going to love it too. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. And to recap, the key to this look is about blending, layering and having fun with it. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new things. That's what Halloween is all about. If you guys have a favourite Halloween spooky look, let me know in those comments, and why don't you try and create one and tag me in it? I'd love to see it and like it and comment it. But it just goes to show how two simple colours, black and white, can look amazing. And like I said, with the right lighting, you can change the dramatic look of it completely with some amazing music too. If you want to see them with some trending sounds, you can watch them on my TikTok account, which is my name, lathonmb. And don't forget to check out my shorts with the trending sounds. There'll be some transitions in there, you know, with me spooky look when it's done and finished with the right lighting and everything. It's going to be epic. My name's lathonmb, and there should be some of my next videos popping up around now. So don't forget to check them out. And you know what? I'll see you in the next video. Happy Halloween!